As a dynamic leader, you're at the forefront of innovation and creation, steering your enterprise towards growth and success. Understanding your market and competition sets you up for today, but the future demands readiness for new innovations and business strategies. The question arises, are your operational and financial systems as future-focused as your plans? This challenge is why visionary, small to medium-sized businesses are embracing Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central's cloud capabilities, propelling them into a future where they don't just adapt, they lead. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central represents a new phase in business management software by integrating cloud technology, data analytics, and business intelligence. By amalgamating Microsoft Office 365 productivity tools, the Power Platform's data capabilities, and Azure Global Security, Business Central offers a comprehensive solution. This integration empowers teams across finance, sales, service, and supply chain to enhance adaptability, intelligence, and performance. In a marketplace that's perpetually evolving, Business Central equips you to navigate change and seize endless opportunities for advancement. Elevate your business with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Streamline operations, gain insights, and accelerate growth. Ready to transform? Visit our website or call us to explore how Business Central can power your success. Your future starts now.